Meet the YCMD4O DSF Palletize. 80 cartons per minute. Fully automatic operation. 175 OMM and 1600 kg load. Robust structure and low-level layered palletizing for stable, smooth operation. Side-in feed design saves space and simplifies conveyor systems. Cost-effective, over 30% lower cost than traditional robotic palletizers. Energy saving with optimized structure and variable frequency control. Fully automatic, PLC-controlled conveying, sorting, palletizing, and output. Easy adjustment and high safety, flexible HMI settings and fault diagnostics.